Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 67. Housefly belongs to family option A Muscidae, option B Anacardiae, option C Poaceae, option D Hominida. Housefly belongs to family. Correct answer is option A, family Muscidae. Question number 53. Which of the following is a total root parasite? Option A Cuscuta, option B Rafflesia, option C Santilum, option D Monotropa. Which of the following is a total root parasite? Correct answer is option B Rafflesia. Question number 80. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in option A Protista, option B fungus, option C Archaea, option D Monera. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in. Correct answer is option A Protista. Question number 62. The outer wall of pollen grain is made up of cellulose, sporopollenin, pectocellulose or lignin. Outer wall of the pollen grain, also called as exine, is made up of. The correct answer is option B, sporopollenin. Question number 98. Which one of the following is not a micronutrient? Molybdenum, magnesium, zinc, boron. Which one of the following is not a micronutrient? The correct answer is option B. Magnesium is not a micronutrient. Question number 98. Which of following statement is not correct? Goblet cells are present in mucosa of intestine and secrete mucus. Oxyntic cells is present in mucosa of stomach and secrete HCl. Acini is present in pancreas and secrete carboxypeptidases. Brunner's gland is present in submucosa of stomach and secretes pepsinogen. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So the correct answer is option D, Brunner's gland. Right, it's a submucosal gland but is present in submucosa of small intestine, duodenum, and is not present in stomach, and it secretes mucus and not the pepsinogen. Question number 80. If for some reason our goblet cells are non-functional, this will adversely affect production of somatostatin, secretion of sebum from the sebaceous gland, maturation of sperm, smooth movement of food down the intestine. Goblet cells are non-functional. The correct answer is option D. Goblet cells are source of mucus. If they are non-functional, then mucus will not be secreted and the smooth movement of food down the intestine will be affected. Question number 58. A segment of DNA has 120 adenine and 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides present in the segment is 60, 240, 120, 480. The correct answer is option D, 480. Question number 57. Leguminous plants are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Which one of the following statement is not correct during this process of nitrogen fixation? Nodules act as site for nitrogen fixation. Enzyme nitrogenase catalyzes conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. Leg hemoglobin scavenges oxygen and is pinkish in color. You have to tell which is not correct. So the answer is option 3 is incorrect. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. That's an incorrect statement. Question number 92. Which one of the following cannot be used for preparation of vaccines against plague? Avirulin live bacteria, synthetic capsular polysaccharide material, heat kill suspension of virulent bacteria, Formalin inactivated suspension of virulent bacteria. The correct answer is option 3. Heat kill suspension of virulent bacteria cannot be used for preparation of vaccine against plague. Question number 77. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis is widely used in contemporary biology as insecticide, agent for production of dairy products, source of industrial enzyme, indicator of water pollution. The correct answer is option 1. It is used as insecticide. Question number 66. The global agreement in specific control strategies to reduce the release of ozone depleting substances was adopted by the Montreal Protocol, the Kyoto Protocol, Vienna Convention, Rio de Janeiro Conference. The correct answer is option 1. The Montreal Protocol was aimed at the control strategies to reduce the release of ozone depleting substances. Question number 90. Which of the following species are restricted to an area? Sympatric species, sibling species, allopatric species, or endemic species? Correct answer is option D, endemic species. Question number 81. Which one of the following pair of plants are not seed producers? Option A, Funaria and Fucus. Option B, Fern and Funaria. Option C, Funaria and Pinus, or option D, Fucus and Chlamydomonas. Which one of the following pair of plants are not seed producers? The correct answer is option B, Fern and Funaria. Question number 52. The plant of Triticum aestivum is option A, haploid, option B, diploid, option C, tetraploid, or option D, hexaploid. Plant of Triticum aestivum is. Correct answer is option D, it is hexaploid. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.